Welcome back to Attorneys on Call. And once again, we have live operators standing by to take your call. And you can also get free information at whitleylawfirm.com. Free information like one of the DVDs that the Whitley Law Firm provides for everyone who asks for it, such as what to know about wrongful death claims in the state of North Carolina. Bob, I know you have a lot of experience in this area.
Well, and you know, it's not only the most serious injury that you can have, to die from those injuries you sustain in a wreck, but I look at it as one of the most solemn and important jobs that we do as attorneys in representing families who have lost a loved one. And it's always unexpectedly, it's suddenly usually, and it's just horrible. And you know, the thing that I've kind of learned over the years from these families, and they're wonderful families, and they always, you know, I always tell them something like, I don't know what it's like to go through that, but I know it's got to be bad. And they'd say back to me, Bob, we don't want you to ever have to go through this. But you can imagine, whether it's a child, whether it's a parent, even a grandparent, if it's an unexpected death, and it's usually because of some, you know, for it to be in my office because someone else made a mistake.
Yeah.
And Drew, what I've learned that applies to all of those claims is, number one, it's not really about the money. You know, a lot of times if you're injured and you got bills and you got loss of income, it is about the money. But most of the time with the death claims, it's really not about the money. There's no amount of money that a family would ever take in substitution for a family member that they've lost.
I understand.
I'll tell you what it's about, though, what I've learned, my clients have taught me. It's about justice. It's about responsibility. If someone was responsible, most of the time the family wants them to be held responsible. Not necessarily go to jail, but to at least be held responsible in the eyes of the insurance company. And what I kind of have learned as I've gotten older, more importantly than maybe those things, is they want to know and they want to have answers. I remember I represented a family who lost a sophomore in college in Raleigh in a house fire. And the dad came to me in all sincerity and he said, Bob, I want you to find out if he suffered any, or did he die quickly, did he die, did he pass out with smoke? And I almost told him, well, I did tell him, I'm not sure you really want to know that. He said, yes, I do. They want answers, whether they're horrible or not. Had a father of a young man that was killed in an accident on the highway, and he was run over by someone as he was pushing his vehicle. And that dad wanted me to find out from the driver, did he see you coming? You know, was his back to you, or did he see you? And that's the kind of answers these families want. And that's important.
We have run out of time, but I'm going to invite you back next week so we can talk more about this because it's such an important conversation. Bob and Ben, thank you so much, and thank you for joining us today on Attorneys on Call. Once again, live operators standing by. Call the 800 number and go to whitleylawfirm.com.